The wind that rises from the sea calls a mountain by its name as it climbs. Clouds slow their breath in the lowered sky, and the forest holds the sound in silence above the altitude of passing time.
Seasons pause and quietly move on. Somewhere between snow and rain, today's Taebaeksan's in place.
태백산